In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Premiere Pro editing tricks that will make your edits faster. These tips will save you time and boost your creativity. Trick number 1, RGB Balance. This effect splits red, green, and blue channels, giving your video a unique, cinematic, and creative color style. Here's my video clip on the timeline. Go to the project panel, click the new item button, and choose Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Go to Lumetri Color, open the Curves tab, and scroll down to Hue versus Hue. Click the eyedropper tool, then click the color in your video you want to change. Now Premiere creates control points. Move the middle point up or down to change the color. I'm going with purple because it looks really cool. Let's animate it. Go back to the timeline, select the adjustment layer. Under opacity, hold down Control and click to create 3 keyframes. At the start, middle, and end. Drag the middle keyframe down. This fades out the color effect in the middle. Now for an even cooler look. Add a cut in the middle of the adjustment layer. Select the second half, go back to Hue versus Hue and change it to a different color. And that's it. You've just created a smooth RGB color shift effect in Premiere Pro. Trick number 2, Glow Effect. Add a soft, dreamy glow to your clips that makes highlights pop and gives your video a cinematic, eye-catching look. Let's jump in. Hold Alt and drag your video up one track to make a duplicate. We'll use this top layer to add the dreamy look. Go to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag it onto the top clip. In Effect Controls, increase the blurriness to around 100. Now the top clip looks soft and dreamy. Scroll to Opacity, open Blend Modes and choose Screen. This makes dark areas transparent and blends the glow. Adjust the opacity for the perfect softness. Fine-tune the blur if needed. Sparkles. Now toggle the top track on off and see the magic. Before versus dreamy after. Looks cool, right? Smiling face with hard eyes. Trick number 3, Neon Light. Perfect for music videos, reels, or creative edits. Hold Alt and drag the clip one track up to duplicate it. In Effect Controls, go to Opacity, Blend Mode, and choose Difference. Still look black? That's okay. Now offset the top clip by a few frames. Select it, hold Alt key. Use arrow keys to nudge it forward. White heavy checkmark. Now we get that cool trippy delay. Move both clips up one track. Hold Alt and drag the bottom one to duplicate. Select the top 2 clips, right-click Nest. Name it if you like, hit OK. Select the nested clip. In Opacity, Blend Mode, choose Linear Dodge Add. Search for VR Glow and Effects. Drag it onto the nested clip. Set Luma Threshold to 0, this activates full glow. Play with radius and glow brightness. Want color? Turn on Tint Color and pick your vibe. Raising hands and that's it, you've got a wild, glowing, trippy dance effect. Looks fire. Trick number 4, Glass Text Effect. Super clean and modern for any video style. First, I've got this beautiful nature clip in the timeline, and I want to add some text on top of it. Grab the text tool, click anywhere on the program monitor, and type something like glass. You can type more if you want. I'm just using glass for this example. Now we want this text to blend with the background. So, select the text layer and go to Window Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, you'll see your text inside a graphic layer. You can add a video inside that same graphic layer. Go to the project window, grab your background video, and drag it below the text layer inside the graphic. Now, select the text layer, scroll down and check Mask with Text. This will fill the text with your video, and it looks awesome. But wait! Light bulb. Let's make it look more like glass by adding a reflection. Duplicate the entire graphic layer. Then go to Effect Controls, find Opacity, and set the blending mode to Screen. Now grab the pen tool, and draw a mask over the top part of the text in the program monitor. Back in Effect Controls, increase the feather of the mask. Boom. Now it looks like a shiny glass reflection. You can even hide the background to reveal just the animated glass text. Looks magical. But I added the background for extra enhancement and to make the text pop even more. Go to Window Lumetri Color, select the first clip and slightly increase exposure. Do the same for the duplicate layer. And just like that, we have a stunning glass text effect with a glowing reflection. Trick number 5, Double Exposure. Blend 2 videos together to create a cinematic, creative overlay effect. First, drag your background clip, for example, a nature scene, like a video of a woman's face, and place it on top of the nature video. Select the top clip, head over to Effect Controls, and under Opacity, change the blending mode to Multiply. You'll notice the background now blends perfectly through the lighter parts of the woman's face, looking super cinematic already. But let's take it a step further and make the effect really pop. Go to the window menu and open Lumetri Color. Inside Lumetri, open the Curves section. Create an S-shaped curve, pull the shadows down and lift the highlights slightly. This increases the contrast, making the light areas pop and the dark areas blend even better. Look how stunning that looks, soft, dreamy and cinematic. You can adjust the curve more depending on how dramatic you want the effect. And that's it, a clean, beautiful double exposure effect in just a couple of minutes. 5 awesome Premiere Pro tricks to upgrade your editing game. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite trick, and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Nova for more editing tips, effects and tutorials every week.